Hi Year 6, today I've got my Christmas jumper on and I'm ready to show you a Christmas craft. So I want to show you how to make some simple but effective Christmas cards. All you are going to need is some paints if you've got some in different colours. I've just got a tiny little bit of different coloured paint in my pot ready to go. You're going to need some card to make your cards with, and then you're going to need a pen, a black pen, and that's all you are going to need. So we are going to make a string of Christmas lights using our paints and just our fingers. Okay, so first thing you need to do, and you might want to practice this before, you might want to get some scrap paper and practice it before your final thing, but when you are ready, you want to get your card and obviously make it into a card shape. I'm going to hold my card this way and do it. So I'm just going to show you, I'm going to bend the camera down so you can see what I'm doing. Okay, so I'm going to get my pen and I am going to draw from one side to the other just a wiggly, swiggly line to be the wire of my lights. And then I'm simply going to pick from my different colour paints with my fingertip, just a tiny little bit of paint on each, and then I'm going to blob it around so it looks like lights hanging off the wire. So I'm going to get one colour, do a bit more, and put some green on. Then I'm going to wipe my hands, get a different colour, put them on both sides of the string. Another colour, and just keep going until I am happy with what I've got with some yellow ones. So blobbing them on both sides of the string, and there you will have a lovely set of Christmas lights for your card. And then you can add some writing. So I've also got a red pen here, and I'm just going to write in some nice curly writing, Merry Christmas, just to finish it off. So there we have, you can see that didn't take much time at all, a fingerprint Christmas bauble Christmas card. Why don't you have a go at that? There is just one other Christmas card design that I would like to do with you before we go. So I'm going to get another piece of card. I'm still going to do it in exactly the same way with my fingerprints, but I'm going to need brown paint this time. Okay, so I'll show you what I'm doing. Again, using my fingers, I'm going to get my brown and I'm going to blob 4 little brown circles, okay, and wipe my fingers. Now these brown circles are going to be for a family of little reindeer. So once you've done your however many you want in your family, you need to just leave those fingerprints to dry for a little minute before you do the next part. Okay, once your paint then has completely dried, you'll need a red pen and a black pen. And in case you hadn't seen how this was going to come together already, these are going to be your reindeer. So the black is for giving them all some eyes, and then for giving them some antlers. So you've got a little family going on. Give them all their antlers. And then the red is going to be for their red noses. So you put the noses right at the end and give them nice big Rudolph noses if you want. Perfect. And then again, if you want to, you can write a little message across. And there we have it. Another cute little Christmas card, really easy. So you've got 2 different ideas there for Christmas cards that you can make using just a little bit of paint and your fingertip. If you've got no paint at home but you do have some felt tip pens, you could have a go at this one just using some felt tip pens with some colours for your lights. Or there's lots of other ideas online that you could look at if you wanted to make some different cards. I'd love to see how you get on if any of you give this a try. So go and have some festive fun and make some cards for your friends and family. See you soon!